Hi everyone, welcome back to my cross-stitch channel. My name is Leslie and I make videos in Russian and English. And today I'm going to present to you the three main projects that I'm going to be working on during the winter time. And when I say winter time, I mean December, January and February. You might be wondering why are there only three of them, but I have some other projects that I'm currently working on. And I might be cross-stitching them, but I think that most of my time, or the bulk of my time, I'm gonna spend cross-stitching these three projects. And when I get a little bit tired of these three, I may take something else, something that I've already started. But yeah, these three are the main three projects for winter time. And you might be wondering why I have this big question mark. And this is a secret. This is a secret project that I'm working on right now. This is my cross-stitch experiment that I'm working on right now. But it's a secret and I don't want to talk about it a lot right now. I will make a separate video about it, but it will be maybe in 3 or 4 weeks. I'm not finished with it. I'm currently working on it and I need some time, but it's a secret and I think you're gonna like it. So subscribe and wait for it to come out. The second project, this is a cross-stitch kit from Russia. It's called Magic Needle, and I really like this beautiful painting, if you can call it that way, because it reminds me of Belgium. It's very romantic, has a lot of different colors, and you can read here that it has about 47 different colors, and the finished work will be 41 centimeters by 31 centimeters, or 16.5 by 12 inches, something like that. The floss is Russian made. This is not DMC or Anchor. I think this is, yes, this is Russian made floss, so called Gamma. And the chart is in color, which I like very much. And the third project, this is from a cross-stitch magazine, British cross-stitch magazine. It was issued June 2018. This beautiful lady, this is designed by Maria Diaz. She's very famous cross-stitch designer. This is the chart. It's one page, second page, and you can choose if you want to cross-stitch in DMC, Anchor, or Madeira. And there are about, I counted 45 colors. Sorry. So these are the three main projects that I'm going to be working on, and I want you to write me in the comment section below if you are interested in it and seeing me cross stitch any of these three. If you liked any of them, if you're curious about any of them, let me know about it in the comment section below. And I'm gonna finish up this video, and I hope you have a great day and a great week. And subscribe if you like this video, and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.